Okay, for anyone who doesn't know how to install a spider, this is how it's done, according to Zach over at H&W. So thank you to Zach. I could find nothing anywhere on doing this correctly. The spider just barely contacts these dogs that are cast into the base, and it would just, if I just bumped it wrong, it would fall into the base. There's no doubt about it. So I didn't know how to do it. I called them. He said to use all thread, and so this is my attempt at it. I don't have a tripod set up, so I'll just I'm going to kind of do this stop and go. I had to take it apart one side at a time and then reassemble it under the rim. Even though it just barely makes it, it's still too big to get it in there with these the all thread on. And it doesn't help that my trolley isn't directly overhead, so I'm kind of pulling it over. As you can see, it's kind of at an angle. But it's kind of a two-man job, but if I can do it, anyone can. And now what I'll do is I'm going to slowly lower it and then tighten these two up, and then I'm going to put the real bolts in on the other side, and then I'll be able to put the last two bolts in. As I lower it, I'm pulling the spider up, and then I'm pulling these two studs up, because as I lower it, it kind of hits the dogs, pushes the stud all the way up through the hole, and I tighten down the nut as fast as I can, as far as I can go. And I'm just doing that, and I'm almost there. And there she is, all back together. So hope that helps somebody out there. They have every other video known to man, but I guess they figured this was too easy to show. So anyway, for people like me, enjoy.